I'm gonna just exit it, or try to at least. I mean, look at, I'm clicking it multiple times now. You gotta be kidding me. And we're back. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I don't know about you all, but I can't think about anything except the markets on the weekends. So trading on Monday mornings, I have to be a little cautious because just thinking about the markets and not being able to act on the urge to trade, I have to make sure I don't make any mistakes. I didn't make any mistakes. Tradervue made mistakes this morning. If anyone out there is trading on Tradervue, did you guys have any problems? Because you'll see in the video, I did everything, like all of my actions were extremely delayed. Clicking like the sell button, clicking the exit button, moving my orders on the screen, everything was extremely delayed and kind of screwed me up. Still ended green. Here was the 9:30 opening candle. I noticed that we had these equal lows back here from the overnight session, breaking through that to the downside. I was kind of expecting some downward movement today just because of the huge push on Friday, and that presented a few fair value gaps. Was able to catch it, albeit like a little bit too late. Wasn't a big deal, but I was targeting this consolidation area down here, so I figured it was worth the risk of getting in a little bit late and trying to catch a larger move. However, between Tradervue screwing up and putting me in double my contracts that I wanted to be in, so I did just exit for a loss on a couple of them just to minimize risk. Didn't want 6 contracts, expecting to go short and then just ripping up. So made the correct decision getting out there. Markets or price action was a little wonky this morning, not very much movement. I expect because there was so much movement on Friday, so there's some uncertainty today. But I was able to catch some of this move down, and we did end green. That's perfect. I'm continuously improving on the mental game of this. With Tradervue screwing up, I made the right decision of just killing a couple of those contracts immediately, and then I successfully moved my stops into profit as we continued seeing like a larger P&L on my open P&L. I think we were up to like $120 with those 3 contracts, and that's when I started moving my stops to secure a green trade. And then as 10 a.m. rolled around, market started, that's when this started ripping up, and I was just like, I'm just gonna kill it and get what I can out of it. This could continue on to the downside, but between 9:30 and 10 we were just painfully and slowly moving, and I didn't want to sit around in a trade during that. It would be one thing if I was waiting for a setup, but being in a trade and the market's moving slow just feels like it's moving even slower, and it's that much more painful. So I think I made the right call just exiting there, and making the right call of just stopping for the day, because Tradervue was really messing with me by being super laggy and stuff. If no one else had that issue, maybe it was just something on my computer, I don't know. This PC should not have any issues with that, but maybe something weird was happening, I don't know. Anyways, hope you guys did good out there today, and if not, you got the rest of the week. So I'll talk to you guys after Tuesday's trading session. So I am looking for shorts today, after that huge run up on Friday, expecting a little bit of pullback and possibly fill in this gap right here. Can't imagine we create one up here and continue ripping up. I mean, it's possible, but just expecting the market to get some pullback and fill in some of this. Because Friday we had absolutely no pullback during the whole, like that whole move. At 8:30 we had this move down, with a gap right here, taking out these lows. Not by much, but probably could have shorted at 300, 13,300. Why did I? That was like super delayed. Selling here because I think we could have sold at 300, and I think this is a order block right here. This is kind of targeting this low down here. Gonna move some of these down. I don't know why this is being so weird. See how delayed that is? Delete. You suck. Moving 3 down because I did not want to get into 6. I was a little late on that move, but just as I was thinking about it, I feel like that's seemed like what was playing out. So let's leave these and see if it works. I don't like what's going on here. To be fixed now. I'm gonna put one more down at a little past break even just because I didn't really want to be in over 3 anyways. And then these 3 will be at like the entry that I wanted. Well, close to. We sold at 86, which wanted to sell at 300, so might need to take a little more heat than what we sought out to, but just took me a minute to recognize the setup playing out. But if this creates another gap, should be in good shape. Moving slow this morning. This is trading like we're on a holiday session. Where did my orders just go? It's gonna grind all the way down, back down. Put 1 at break even, 2 at 80. At least we secure something. So now we're not gonna go red on the day, I think. Yeah, we shouldn't. That should be more than $26 to get back. I didn't. Yeah, I mean, you guys saw I clicked sell and I thought it didn't go through, so I clicked it again, and then 10 seconds later, both orders go through. There's also a setting in your risk settings where you can do like a max position size, so I'll set that stuff up on a funded account. When we're going through the evaluation, I'd rather figure out any mistakes I may make. Just let them be made so I know not to, so I can prevent them during a funded account. I don't know what's going on. My orders are not showing up on the screen. Don't like this. I'm gonna just exit it, or try to at least. I mean, look at, I'm clicking it multiple times now. You gotta be kidding me. Where did it give me that at? Okay, so it filled it down at 72. I think we could have, I think I was trying to get out in the 60s, but I'm gonna just stop there. I don't like that Tradervue's having all of these problems. The orders are super delayed. This move, I mean, it did play out, and I think just watching price action, seeing like, hey, it's not moving as quick as I'm expecting, so I need to be okay with a smaller profit. Was hoping we could get 50 points out of that, because it really seemed like, or I mean, that I believe this is the next area that it's going to be drawn to. People are going to have stops down there. But I don't really like how slow this is moving. Could have got in this trade a lot earlier, but this gap happened at 8:30. So earlier when I was looking at it, I thought, oh, we missed our opportunity. Well, I guess we could have got up there, but like right at open, but I don't really like taking trades on or at 9:30. So I think we got in at the right time. Could have had 20 points out of that, which would have been respectable, especially considering we were in 6 freaking contracts, but luckily I just went ahead and got out of them. If it wasn't for that mess up, we would be up $87 today on 3 micros, which is pretty good. $87 in 30 minutes with 3 micros. Most people don't make $87 in a half an hour. So I'm going to recognize that Tradervue's frustrating me. It made me take a couple losing trades that I would have not taken. So that's obviously going to affect me. I don't really feel it affecting me right now, but I don't want the potential for it to affect my trading. And this price action absolutely sucks. So could be because just after the run up on Friday, markets are going to be you know, cooling off now. If you play video games and been on any of like games with like a machine gun or something, we just unloaded a bunch of rounds and now we have a cool off period. So that's my guess. It makes sense. That seems to be what's happening. Our setup presented itself. We took it. We got what we could. I don't want to keep holding on any longer because it's kind of painful. This could potentially not ever come back up and hit where I would have had my stops originally, and maybe it does continue going down, but I don't want to sit and watch that. And 10 a.m. usually the markets with news and stuff start moving a little bit more. I didn't want to get caught in that. So that's it, 58 bucks. That's still not bad anyways, $100 an hour. See you guys later.